Keeping your members engaged and subscribed long-term can be a challenge. One simple but powerful way to boost retention is by sending subscription renewal reminder emails before a membership expires. Hey guys, it's Carmen here, and in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to set up automated renewal reminders in WordPress using the Paid Member Subscriptions plugin. Let's get on with it. First, you'll need to have Paid Member Subscriptions Pro installed and activated on your site. Head over to the Cosmos Lab website, choose your license plan, and download the plugin files. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New, Upload Plugin, and select the downloaded files. Hit Install Now for both plugin archives. Once installed, don't forget to activate both the main plugin and the Pro extension. Then head over to Paid Member Subscriptions, Add-ons, and click on Activate near the Email Reminders add-on. Now, a new submenu item will appear under the Pro Member Subscription section called Email Reminders. This is where you'll manage all your membership-related email notifications. Let's walk through the options together. First, let's set up a name for the reminder so we can better identify it. Next, choose the user role to which you want to send the email. From here, you can choose if the email is sent with a delay or sent instantly. If we choose delayed, then inside the trigger event, we can set up the time when the event should be triggered, even if it's hours, days, weeks, or months, and the event type, like before or after the subscription expires. For example, let's say you want to remind members 7 days before their subscription expires. You'd set the trigger event 7 days before expiring, choose the correct membership role, and write a clear reminder email. That way, if someone's subscription ends at the end of the month, they'll automatically get an email 7 days before that, encouraging them to renew before losing access. If we choose instant, then the created email will be sent instantly to the users when a certain event occurs, like payment pending. For example, let's say a member's credit card fails during renewal. Instead of waiting, they immediately receive an email letting them know the payment didn't go through, with a link to update their billing details. This helps them to fix the issue on the spot and keeps their subscription active without interruptions. Next, we need to customize the subject and body of the email. Keep it friendly, clear, and include a direct link to renew their subscription. From the Available Tags section, you can also choose some template tags to personalize the message. For example, instead of a generic email, you could use the username tag, so the email starts with "Hi John," for example, which feels much more personal. Or you could insert the subscription name and subscription expiration date tags to say something like, "Your Pro membership will expire on August 31st. After composing the email content, you'll be able to filter which members receive this email reminder based on their subscription plan, like the Pro one in this case. Select the email reminder status and save everything. Lastly, you can set the From name and From email in Paid Member Subscriptions, Settings, Emails. Bet that was easier than you might have thought. And besides that, you are not limited to just one reminder. You can set up multiple if you feel like it, increasing the chances your members take action in time. And that's it. From now on, the plugin will handle reminders automatically. No manual follow-ups needed. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for even more WordPress tips, and let me know in the comments how you are using reminders to keep your members engaged. See you next time!